Well, here we are on our fifth segment of riding the Glacial Drumlin Trail. We're by the sign here. If you can see on the bottom here, it says Goggert's Village Mart. It's a gas station and little store there. That's where I usually get our trail passes. And here's my honey. She's all ready to go.
We're ready.
We're ready.
And we're not going that way this time. We're going that way this time.
We're heading east to Dousman, maybe Wales too from here. Maybe 6 to, or maybe 12 to 20 some miles we'll put on. We'll see how we feel, how it goes. And here we are, just about ready to take off now. If you notice anything different about this video compared to the other ones, I don't know.
Make a remark.
I don't know if you noticed, but I've got some new teeth. Looks a lot better, huh?
Beautiful.
Bye. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Morning. I can't remember if I locked the truck now, baby. I did? Bye. 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 I wonder what kind of games they have there. Monopoly, Scrabble, Euchre, Yahtzee? You think they...
No, I ain't no turkey!
You think they play those on the game farm? Poker? Should stop and find out.
Yeah,
Yeah. Hi. Hi. Well, here we are. I've went 4.23 miles. We got about a half a mile down the road. I couldn't remember if I locked the truck or not, so I had to ride back and get it. How much you got, baby, on yours?
344.
Huh? 344. That's the actual length of the ride.
The actual.
Yeah. So we're
Mr. Alzheimer's.
so either way, it was a long time before our first break. We're getting tough now.
Yeah.
If you notice here, while we're in the shade now, you probably can't see, but this is probably the coolest day that we had biking, maybe about 70, 75. It's supposed to get up to maybe 77, that's it. But boy, still, it feels a lot better biking when it's a lot cooler. Right, baby?
Right, baby.
You gonna let me drink out of your water again?
Yes.
Oh,
As
thank you,
clean
my
your
hon.
mouth.
As long as I clean my mouth, no way. Here we are, we made it to Dousman, just about 6 miles on it. We had to stop at the bicycle shop here and have Glenda's bike looked at. Her wheel was a little misaligned. But now, baby,
Baby.
now we're gonna go to Wales and back. That's probably about a 12-mile round trip, and then we're gonna stop at the restaurant here and eat. You ready?
Yeah, we should be hungry by then.
This is downtown Dousman. We're gonna eat over here at Packer Party Times. No, I gotta go this. There. Deb's Main Street Diner later. I forgot to show you the mileage before. Here's about our third stop. We went 8.54 miles. We've been pedaling for 1 hour and 3 minutes and 34 seconds. We just come up a big hill by 18.
1883? No, 1867.
Yeah, 1867. We had to stop and take a break. You hot, honey?
I'm hot. And that was a tough hill. That was straight up. But we did it without stopping.
Yeah, just barely.
But we got it.
We're kind of open area right now. I think we're just on this little detour. I think we'll come to the railway right away again soon. We hope so.
The different things that they
Yeah. Here we are at Wales Resting. We made it. How far have we gone? Maybe about 13 miles?
What's after 25?
Huh?
What's after
12 and a half. Just about 13. We sit here, we had our snacks, and are just about ready to head out again.
He hasn't had a chance to rest, Mom.
Okay, we're on a break again. I just wanted to switch my helmet to get shots of my honey from the front. I forgot to show you the mileage at Wales. To get it down here, right now we've got 15.85 miles. We've been pedaling for 1 hour and 55 minutes. That's actual pedaling time. And we're going back to Dousman now, and we're going to have lunch or whatever you call it, yeah, at that restaurant before we go back to Sullivan. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, a low rider behind us, a little ways back yet.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi!
Smile.
Smiling!
You're on candid camera. Never know.
Coming up on the side. And I Bye.
Our language training. The Golden Hour embassies tell Americans that they're
Well, here we are at the restaurant. We had, what do we have, roast pork and mashed potatoes? And,
Roast pork loin with mashed
Yeah.
potatoes and green beans and butter and roll.
done about 19 miles so far. Gonna head on back to Sullivan. So we should do about 25 miles, 26 miles today. There's my honey. We just got out of the restaurant. It was Deb's Main Street Diner. Very good. We had special turkey and mashed potatoes.
No,
Do you
roast
like that,
pork
baby?
And mashed potatoes.
Huh?
Roast pork and mashed
Oh, roast
potatoes.
pork and mashed potatoes.
And it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yes.
I don't know if you can see this or not. What do we got, baby? 19.15 miles. We've been actually pedaling time of 2 hours and 15 minutes. We're just leaving from the restaurant now, and we're gonna head back to Sullivan. You get it? You get it? Sure. We're at the spot in the trail here. They got go-kart races. Here's my honey going down. One out.
Oh no! Watch out, here he comes.
Stand back, I want to get him all the way.
Wish you had gotten that one that did the 360. That was cool.
Well, did you like watching the little treat we had watching the go-karts?
Oh, that was so cool. I need to be out there.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I don't know if I got that guy. The guy spun out on that corner. I hope I got him on that video. We'll have to see.
Oh, I
They
hope
go
so.
around there so fast. Okay, we'll
That was cool.
we gotta
That was
get
so
going
cool.
again. Couple of sand hills here in the water. I think they're probably fishing. Just looking around. I don't know if they know we're here. Probably fishing, maybe, you think?
Yeah.
Or either that for bugs or something.
Yeah, they're probably looking for food. And for people who don't know about sandhills, they come from the south. And they're hunted down south, but up here, they're not allowed to be hunted. But they eat just about anything.
Did you like that, baby?
I did. It's a wonder we get anywhere. We have so many exciting things.
No, we had to stop and see those sand hills. Of course, my honey spot sand hills wherever we go in the car. Oh, look, there's sand hill. We got to look. So nice that we saw it along the trail here, that they were in the water and it was shallow.
In their natural habitat.
To their natural habitat.
Yep. Yep. No point in going on a trail ride if you don't look and see the...
Yeah, not as much shade or whatever on this trail, but anyway, you could see the sand hills, and I think that was one making a noise now, wasn't it, baby?
That was one talking.
Should we go see if we can find it again? Oh, by the cornfield, baby.
Oh, yeah. Guess they didn't have any luck in the water, so now we gotta go get the corn.
So bright, I'm having a hard time. Oh yeah, there I got them. Yeah, they come out of the water and one's cakeling. There's two of them there. I wonder why she's making the noise.
Maybe they're calling for the others.
Yeah. Maybe they have a little one or something.
It could be.
They're looking for something.
They're calling
Calling somebody. It's kind of neat.
Maybe
Now they're looking at the cord. Oops.
Maybe they think we're invading their territory.
I don't know.
It sounds like they're looking for one of their own.
Well, here we are by the sand hills. We're ready to take off again. We've done 21.5 miles. Had to stop and see if we could videotape the sand hills. I've been riding 2 hours 31 minutes. Next time I'll show you when we're back at the truck.
Speed up.
Well, here we are. We just finished. Total of 25.03 miles, which is probably the furthest we've gone since that 30-mile trek we had on our first ride. So it was a good ride today, but the temperature was really nice, mid-70s. And we were actual pedaling time 2 hours and 58 minutes and 37 seconds. As the biking's a lot better than being on a treadmill for that length of time. Are you whooped, honey?
I am whooped, honey. I can't do no more.
You had a good ride, though.
Too good.
Huh?
Too good.
Too good. Hand sore and ass sore and
Yep.
yeah. Okay.
I'm trying to get the energy to get off.
You'll make it.
Oh, so peaceful. Suck it up.
How much weight do you think you lost? Nothing?
Probably actually gaining for the next 4 days.
Nothing like usual?
Nothing.
Okay, this is the end of our 5th ride. Not bad. I think the help that the weather was only in the mid-70s. It's not as hot. We didn't have to drink as much. Although the salt's running in my eyes now. So that's it for bike ride number 5. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
And bye. See you on YouTube.